Alright, hey, so today we're going to be working on the $1,000 Lexus. I just bought these cool atmospheric LED lights for basically the underside of my dash. We'll see how they work. I don't like an interior that's too dark, and it's a little bit of a dated car, but that's alright, but I wanted to add these, so let's install them. Alright, so we are in the garage now with the $1,000 Lexus, and we will be installing these LED strips. That'll be going underneath the dash here and also on this side, so we shall see how it looks. I'm gonna try to put them underneath the seats here, see if they fit. I am not sure if they will, but here we go. Alright, so here's the kit. Car atmosphere light. You have manual, and you have the strips here. You have a controller. This is not one that you can use with your phone. I didn't really know about that until after I ordered them. But also it only has the plug for the adapter, but no USB, which is okay, I guess. I'm not gonna hardwire these in. I'm just gonna leave them as is and we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna wire these first ones in. Untangle these. Goes across there. The control box. Underneath. So we're gonna try to find a good place to put this. I'm probably thinking right about there would be nice. That nice flat surface right here on the LS400. Oh yeah, cause there's some janky wiring going on down here. And I might wire it up underneath here or around here. So we shall see. It might be easier to do it underneath there on this edge. Hard. Alright, so I'm having issues getting this to stay after taking off the tape on the other side because it's too cold and the glue won't even work in this temperature apparently. I'm having issues with that, so I ended up taking the wire, kind of ran it up there. As you can see, it kind of runs through, pretty much all tucked in. You can kind of see where it is right here. It's all tucked in. Running all the way back to the center console. I'm gonna leave this controller in here. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape the controller to here so it's in one spot so I don't have to worry about it moving around at all. And then I'm gonna keep running these wires here underneath, and it's gonna go into here. So then we tuck up and run to the center console. Alright, I have a blow dryer now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to warm up the underside of the dash. I'm also going to warm up the adhesive.
JHC Beats.
Alright, so I finished wiring the front sides. So now I'm going to do the back. I decided I'm just going to place it on here so it stays in one spot the whole time, because I really don't want it to move around when the seat moves around. So I don't want to like have the light come out here and then back here. I want it to stay in one spot the whole time. That's how most cars work, so like the Mercedes S-Class for example. So I'm gonna just kind of place it up here, have it kind of bounce off the bottom of the chair, and also so that way it also hits the floor here too, so you have footwell lighting. Alright guys, I'm excited. Check out the final product. I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty basic install, just plug and play. Not too bad. I didn't want to wire it in, but that's okay. I might adjust the rear passengers a little bit later with some double side tape, but we shall see. Take a look. This is from the back side. The cool glow. Get into the driver's passenger side. They don't flicker, just my frame rate on the iPhone is doing that. Pretty cool. Almost equal to an S-Class. It just needs a couple more lights in different places. Check that out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube. Also check out the channel EddieX. I've been producing content for that as well. Hope you guys liked the video. More LS400 content coming soon. I have some stuff to do. I have to do a control arm. I also have to do my exhaust. But we'll take a look, kind of see. Also, I'm planning to get some wheel adapters, putting my 335xi wheels on this for the spring. But it is winter right now, so I'm going to run these crappy chrome wheels for now. Even though the reason why they're such junk is because they're all ripped up from the salt. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.